In this video I'm going to show you how to add someone on Snapchat without saying added by username. So first what you want to do is you want to open up your Snapchat, and from there you have few options. Click on the top left on your profile and then you can just add friends. You can add friends by scanning their snap code. You can invite your friends with your contacts. You can add your friends via this quick add, and you can also search, but don't type in like in their entire name. Just click on Anna or whatever your friend name is and just find them like so, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.